Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter fruit juice full guide. Start by washing and peeling fruit, then chop into even pieces. Measure butter, milk, sweetener, and ice. Add fruit, butter, milk, and sweetener to a blender, pulse until smooth, taste, and adjust, then strain if you want a silkier texture. Serve chilled in a tall glass with a garnish of grated fruit or a mint leaf. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results. 1 cup fruit, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 cup milk, and 1 to 2 teaspoons sweetener. Use chilled milk and softened butter to aid emulsification. Blend in short bursts to break down fibers, then blend continuously until smooth. Taste and tweak sweetness or add a splash of citrus to brighten the flavor. Strain if you prefer an ultra-silky texture and serve immediately for best freshness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is perfect for carrying chilled drinks and staying hydrated between sips of your butter fruit juice. I find it fits cup holders and keeps beverages cold for hours, which is handy when prepping multiple servings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with a few short pulses to reduce large pieces, then increase to high speed for 30 to 60 seconds depending on your blender. If the mixture is too thick, add small amounts of milk until desired consistency is reached. For a lighter option, swap butter for avocado or coconut oil in smaller quantities. Always taste between adjustments, chill the finished juice, and serve with a straw or chilled glass to enhance the drinking experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.